welcome back all. This is my Phantom Leader Deluxe Cuban Missile Crisis 1962 United States Navy long campaign. We are on day 4. We have 6 victory points. We need to do a little better than that, but we'll take what we can get right now. We're still only drawing 2 cards, and we have stress on just about everybody because we lost a pilot and had Dapper and Newbie join us in an A6 intruder. So we're going to draw target cards. We got a cement plant worth 4 points. That is in band 2, not a bad one. Overkill, 9 hits, moves the politics counter to the left. I'm not too worried about that. That 4 points looks nice though. And 20, communication center. That's in the same band. That's worth 3 points, 4 planes. That'd be another one where we move the politics counter to the left. This one here I kind of like because it has the intel moving and the recon. This one here, extra points, a lot more hits, a lot more sights, same amount of bandits. And we are pretty green, but we get one extra plane on that one. I'm going to go with this one because I want to move those counters. And like I said, we are still pretty green. 20 right there. We will go ahead and do that. We're going to put 54 here. We're going to automatically put down 4 points. Oops, -4. And we'll make sure we get full payload here. Determine target, move politics counter. That'll move 2 to the right. Determine and place sights. We got 2 in each approach area. Alright, and then 2 in the center. I've seen worse. Alright, he won't be able to see after that. And he will be able to see us into here. These don't really bother me though, not as much as these low guys. So I think we'll come in high. We'll go west to east again. We'll take the shots from them. Assigned pilots, we're allowed 4 of them. I hate to do it, but we got to get him experience. We could have up to 6 aircraft, so we'll bring out knife. That's 2. Seaweed can carry 6 and he's a +1. That's 3. And Rabbit is a +2 and a +1, but he's only 4 and he has no ECM. Steam 0 and 0. He's +1/+1 and he's 6. Let's take Showtime along. Okay. So Knife will be air to air. Showtime will be both, and these guys will be full bomber. Everybody that can get ECM will get ECM. Let's do that first. He can't take an ECM. He can take an ECM, and he cannot take an ECM. He can only carry aim 9s, so that'll be 4 of them. And I think the penalty is 4 weight points will be -2. 4 weight points, weapons points, whatever you want to call them. I've come in light on them before. Let's see what our bombers look like. They're both slow. He's -1, so he needs a lot. He has 7 weight points or weapons points left. Hopefully that'll get us 1 or 2 hits. It's 5. So he's still got 3 weight points left. Maybe we'll put a Mark 84 on him. He's allowed a 118 and a Mark 84, right? Yes. Alright, we'll go with that. Hopefully that'll give us 3 or 4 hits. So we still need to come up with 2 more from him. I don't really want to count on him too much. He's a +1. We'll give him a Mark 118. That gives him 4. And let's give him a... Let's give him a Mark 83. That'll give him 6. That should hopefully get us our 5. And then these guys will be all air to air. Aim 7s. Give him 2 aim 7s. 2 aim 9s. We're going to have to go low so we can get a rockets for free, and we'll take one of them sights out in the center. Hopefully that's good enough. Draw a target bound event card. Collateral damage concerns. Subtract 1 from your attack and suppression die rolls against sites, but not against the target. So I'm alright with that because we only really plan on attacking 1 site. It doesn't say anything about bandits either, so that's not bad. Place aircraft and flight paths. We will come in high. We'll take on the high guys rather than the low guys. Determine and place bandits. We have one in each approach. Got a MiG 17, a no bandit, a MiG 17, a no bandit, and then 2 in the center. MiG 19, and a no bandit. Not bad. So we get 3 bandits to contend with. Not bad. We're set for that. We've got plenty of air to air for that. I'm hoping we have enough air to ground for the six hits. I'll take just 5, but I'd prefer to have the politics move too. Into air defense is still no change. I draw over target event card. Discard and redraw all site attack angle counters for a random approach area that has attack angle counters. So we've only got 2. Odds, evens. We got odds. So we'll put him back over here and redraw. And that makes it a little bit worse. Good, he can now see us here and here. But still, these don't worry me too much. I can almost let them roll. Turn counter on 1. No jettison. Fast pilots attack. We have 1, but he has aim 9s. Yes, he can go after him, and we're just going to throw 2 missiles his way. He needs a 3 or more. Rolling twice. We got 2 5s. These return to the magazine, and the MiG is down. And that gives Knife another kill. Alright, he's my only fast pilot? Yes. Sights and bandits attack. They can't reach us. Nobody can reach us except these 2 bad boys. So we'll go with him first. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That'll be 5. Going against Seaweed. Seaweed does not have an ECM. I like how they pick them out. I will play it safe and evade. And we roll a 4, which is no result. I could have gotten away with not evading on that too. But he's one of my bombers and I can't risk it. He's going to attack and he's going after Seaweed too. We'll evade again. 3 and a 2. Once again, I pay for that one. I could have gotten away with no stress on either one. Alright. Every time I don't, I roll a 10, so I better be safe. Slow pilots attack. That is showtime. 1, 2. He can attack him. We'll go ahead and do that, launching both of our aim 7s. Plus 1. He needs 5 or more. Rolling 2 dice. Misses both. Alright. No other slow pilots can attack. Aircraft move and adjust altitude. We're going to stay high. Bandits are going to join us. Well, one is anyway. Advanced turn counter to 2. Fast pilots attack. He will fire his last 2 aim 9s at him because he's the worst one and can fire at us his turn. So we need 2 3s. Got both hits. That equals 1 MiG down. And Knife gets another kill. He is now an ace. I don't think there's an ace thing on here. Okay. Doesn't matter. Sights and bandits attack. He can still attack us. He's going to go after Showtime, who has ECM. If the ECM does not work, Showtime will evade. And we roll a miss. And he's going to go after us. He's going to go after Knife. Knife has none, so we will evade. And he rolls a miss. So we're doing good that way. Slow pilots attack. I think I'm going to go ahead and go for getting one of these guys out of here because we're going to go down in next time. So let's see if we can get that. We need a 6 because he's a +1. And we roll an 8. So we got rid of one of them. That makes things a little bit easier. Oh, against sight. Subtract 1 from attack rolls. That would have been a 7, but that's still a hit. Aircraft move and adjust altitude. And now we go low. Bandits move. He stays with us. Advanced turn counter. Alright, sorry about that. Fast pilots attack. Knife. He can either go after that and hope for a 10 with his guns, or he can go after this bandit. I'm gonna I'm gonna try for the 10 just to get him out of there if possible. Oh, that's gonna be a -1, so he can't even do it. Never mind, we'll go after the bandit. Need a 7. Misses. Would have missed either way. Um, Sights and bandits attack. He'll get to go after us now. He's going after Showtime, who has ECM. ECM does not work again. I gotta let him go because I don't want to get overstressed and be shaken, or we're gonna have a hard time getting that MiG. Anything up to 6, well, 6 is fine. We're looking at stress, but 7 or more and we're hurting. Hmm. I'm going to take a chance. Let him roll. 1. Good, that's a miss. This MiG's going to attack. He's going after a knife. Knife will evade. 7. Oh, 7 and 2. That's a miss. Alright. Nobody else can attack us because we're low. Nobody has the range. Slow pilots attack. Moment of truth. Showtime's going to try to take him out. He needs his 5 or more. We get 1 hit. That's all we need. Bandit's gone. And Showtime gets a kill. Alright. Slow pilots attacking still. Seaweed first. He's a +1. Let's go to the big boy first. 8, 9. That's 4 hits. Good start. And that goes back to the magazine. And we'll do the Mark 83 +1. That's a 8, 9. 2 more hits. We just destroyed the target and got overkill. So we actually don't even need to use Dapper, and I don't think I will because we'll save those for the Homeward Bound event card just in case. And as we're not going to go after any more sites, I think we will get rid of this. Aircraft move and adjust altitude. Let's go here. We're going to stay low. 2 chances for them. But all they can do is 1 stress, so we'll give them the chance and not him. He can take somebody out of the sky. I've seen that happen before. We'll stay low. No bandits to move. Advanced turn counter to 4. Fast pilots attack. We are low. Knife can not attack because he needs an 11 because of the -1 that we just discarded. So he's not going to do anything against him. Sights and bandits attack. This infantryman's going to go after 8. That'll be Dagger, or Dapper, sorry. And Dapper's just going to let him fire. And he rolls a miss. This infantryman is going to go after Seaweed. Seaweed's just going to let him fire. And he misses. Slow pilots attack. Don't really need to. We'll save them for the way home. aircraft move and adjust altitude. We'll go there. We're going to stay low. Nobody can hit us there. Bandits move, non-advanced turn counter. And back through, nobody can attack us, so we just go straight to the homeward bound event card now, and we are out of here. R&R. If you destroyed the target and did not have any aircraft destroyed, remove one stress from each pilot that flew the mission. Nice. Unfortunately, we got to pay that right now. And that's not going to help Dapper any. But that's alright. I'd rather that than what we've been getting a lot of lately. Record mission outcome, victory points, adjust recon and intel, and SO points. So we get 3 victory points. We got 50 of these left. We got the big X again. 3 victory points. That puts us at 9, which I think is still an awful. Hope it's not that. Dismal. No, we're up to 4 now. Very nice. Intel and Recon both move 1. Doesn't change anything, but it gets us 1 closer to the ultimate goal there. Add target card stress to pilots. That was a stress 2 zone. So I just automatically get their cool out of there now. So he'll add 1. He'll add 1. He'll add 1. He'll add 2. Alright. Next, pilot stress recovery will come up here and take care of all that. They get 2 plus their cool. So he gets 3 down. He goes to 0. He gets 2 down. He gets 4 down. And he gets 2 down. So we're not looking too bad then. They can actually fly as shaken, and he can fly shaken. That doesn't affect any of his stats any. He's still unfit, but that's alright. We'll keep him in the game. Move politics counter 1 to the left. And also we got an overkill. Move the politics counter 1 to the left for the target. So we're going to move that once and twice. Very nice. Record pilot experience and stress. Do that one at a time. Knife. Knife gets 5. And 2 experience points. Showtime. Showtime gets 3. And 2 experience points. Seaweed gets 5 and 2 experience points. And Dapper gets 2 and 2 experience points. Alright. And that, my friends, is the end of, I did fix this, but it's not going to show up until I'm done with this save game. That Mark 84 will not happen anymore. This is target destroyed. Do the house cleaning. I did not fix that yet. Alright, and that is the end of day 4. And we have successfully moved up to a 4, and we did actually had a good day on that one. I want to thank you all for joining me. Sorry for the interruptions, and you all have a good evening.